Most stackers are watching the wrong number. They check gold at $5,000 and think too expensive. They see silver at $80 and think maybe next paycheck. And platinum at 2,000, they don't even think about it. But here's what the smart money is watching. Not the price, the relationship between prices. That relationship, that ratio, tells you something no price chart ever will. Which metal is genuinely cheap right now, relative to its own history, relative to the metal sitting right next to it. And when you know how to read it, when you know the exact trigger numbers, you stop guessing. You start stacking with a system. Today, we're walking through the 3-ratio trigger system. 3 ratios, 5 clear zones each. One simple answer at every reading. Buy, accumulate, hold, or swap. These are the 3 ratios: the gold to silver ratio, the platinum to gold ratio, and the platinum to silver ratio. Right now, 2 of those 3 are flashing signals you should not ignore. Let's start at the baseline. I am Turbo, and this is Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. Let's roll. Before I show you how the system works, I want to read you something. A comment came in from Chris in Virginia on one of my videos. He says, I've been watching the GSR swing from 60 all the way down to 125, and I still can't figure out when to act. Chris, I hear you. You're not alone. That frustration is probably the most common thing I see in the community. Here's the thing. That swing is not noise, in my opinion. That swing is the signal. The problem isn't the ratio. The problem is not having a trigger point that tells you exactly when the number means something. And that's what this system solves. Let's start with the gold to silver ratio, your baseline compass. The gold to silver ratio, the GSR, is the most watched ratio in precious metals, and for good reason. It tells you how many ounces of silver it takes to buy a single ounce of gold. That number has been as low as 17 back in 1980 during the silver mania. And it hit 125 in March of 2020 at the peak of the COVID panic. Those are extremes. The modern average, the zone we keep returning to, sits between 65 and 80. Here are your 5 trigger zones. Below 50, gold is historically cheap relative to silver. Buy gold or swap silver into gold. From 50 to 65, silver is getting pricey. Gold is looking attractive. Start accumulating gold. Consider trimming silver. 65 to 80 is neutral, the normal average. Hold what you have. Watch. Don't move. 80 to 100, silver is cheap. Buy silver. Consider swapping gold into silver. Above 100, silver is at a generational discount. Strong buy. The kind of reading that doesn't come around often. Where are we right now? 62.37. We're below 65, but above 60. Out of the neutral zone and into accumulate gold territory. The GSR is telling you something. Silver is getting expensive relative to gold. New capital should be leaning toward gold, and silver holders should start asking where that silver is going next. Spoiler, the next 2 ratios will give you that answer. This is the chapter that matters most today, because platinum right now is sending 2 simultaneous buy signals. And I don't mean signals that are borderline. I mean signals that are historically extreme. Let's start with the platinum to gold ratio. This ratio tells how much platinum is worth compared to gold. It's the platinum price divided by the gold price. When the ratio is 1.0, 1 ounce of platinum equals 1 ounce of gold. Above 1, platinum costs more than gold. And here's what most stackers don't know. For most of modern history, platinum did cost more than gold. It was the premium metal, the industrial powerhouse, the rarer, harder to mine asset. The last time platinum traded above gold was January 15th, 2015, a decade ago. Since then, the ratio has been falling and falling and falling. In 2020, COVID crashed it to 0.43. That was called a historic low at the time, a rare buying opportunity. People talked about it. Today, it sits at 0.40. Here are your 5 trigger zones for the platinum to gold ratio. Below 40, extreme discount, strong buy. 40 to 55, platinum is cheap, clear buy signal. 0.55 to 0.75 is undervalued, below pre-2015 norms, accumulate. 0.75 to 1.0 is approaching fair value, hold your platinum. Above 1.0, platinum is back at historical parity or premium. Watch for the swap back to gold. At 0.40, we are sitting right at the edge of the extreme threshold. One tick lower and we cross into strong buy territory. Platinum is trading at just 40% of gold's price, a 60% discount to historical parity. That is not a rounding error. That is a decade-long compression that has never been seen before. But that's only signal 1. Signal 2 is where this gets unusual. The platinum to silver ratio, the PSR, tells you how many ounces of silver it takes to buy a single ounce of platinum. The long-term average answer to that question is 77. Back in 2001, at platinum's peak premium, that number was 140 to 1. From 2016 through 2020, it averaged around 50. On January 29th, 2026, the PSR hit 18.7. That was documented as the all-time low. Today, it sits at 25.20. Here are your trigger zones for the PSR. Below 30, extreme. Platinum is essentially priced like silver in historical terms. Strong buy on platinum. Swap silver into platinum now. 30 to 45, very cheap. Still a buy signal. Begin converting silver. 45 to 65, it's undervalued, below the post-2008 average. Accumulate. 65 to 85 is fair value, near the long-term mean. Hold. At above 85, platinum is getting pricey relative to silver. Hold your silver. Above 120, extreme premium. Time to reverse the trade. Swap platinum back into silver. At 25.20, we are not just below the extreme threshold. We are near previous all-time lows. This is not just cheap. This is the cheapest platinum has ever been relative to silver in recorded history. 2 ratios, both in buy territory, both pointing the same direction. When multiple ratios align on the same metal, that's what I call a convergence signal. And right now, platinum has one. Now, here's the question I get every time I cover this topic. What do you do when the ratios disagree? What if the GSR says buy silver, but the PSR says swap silver into platinum? Good question. Here's the framework. First, read all 3 ratios before you do anything. Never act on a single ratio in isolation. The system is designed to be read as a whole. Second, follow the convergence. When 2 or more ratios point into the same metal, that's your strongest signal. Right now, both the platinum to gold and the platinum to silver ratios are pointing to platinum. And the GSR is now telling you silver is getting expensive. That's 3 data points pointing away from silver and toward platinum. Third, understand the trade hierarchy. There are 4 actions in this system. Buy, new capital going into a position. Accumulate, build slowly over time, dollar cost averaging into the signal. Swap, converting an existing position, trading one metal for another at a favorable ratio. Hold, you do nothing. Patience is a position too. And here's the rule that changes the way most stackers think. The most powerful action in this system isn't a buy, it's a swap. Here's why. When you swap silver for platinum at a PSR of 25, you're not just buying platinum cheap. You're locking in the relationship. When the PSR mean reverts towards 77, and historically it always has, you gain on both legs of that trade. Your platinum goes up in value, and when you eventually convert it back, you'll hold more silver than you started off with. That is the compounding power of ratio trading. Right now, at a PSR of 25.2, this trade is offering one of the most asymmetric setups in stacking. Not because platinum will go up tomorrow, but because 25.2 is near territory that has never existed before in recorded history, and it won't stay there. Let's bring this home. Here is where every ratio stands right now, and exactly what each one is telling you. Gold to silver ratio 62.37. Accumulate gold zone. Platinum to gold ratio 0.40, right at the edge of the extreme buy zone. Platinum is trading at just 40 cents on the gold dollar, a 60% discount to historical parity. Platinum to silver ratio 25.2, near the all-time low of 22. This is a strong buy. Swap signal is active. The combined read is this: stack platinum now, convert silver to platinum while the PSR is below 30, and wait on new silver purchases until the GSR clears 80. Now, a word of discipline: ratios don't move in a straight line. The PSR could stay below 30 for another 6 months. The platinum to gold ratio could dip towards 0.38 before it recovers. That's not a reason to wait. That's a reason to accumulate in tranches. Don't put everything in at once. Build the position deliberately over time. If you're sitting on silver you've been holding for a while, ask yourself one question: at what point does the PSR become compelling enough to make the swap? Below 30 has only happened a few times in recorded history. Below 25, once or twice. That answer is worth sitting with. My own platinum position is currently 8 ounces, and I'm actively building toward 10 using exactly this system. Every week, watching these numbers, waiting for the triggers to move. If you want to track these ratios alongside me, subscribe. Every week, I update these readings and flag when a trigger zone changes. And if this framework made sense to you, drop a comment below. Tell me where your stack stands right now and which metal you're focused on. All the glory goes to God, and may God bless you all. As you were, stack with purpose, turbo out.